सीजन 2 हर बाउंड्री को पुश कर रहा है. We love the way the characters layered, and we've got insights from them. We'd like to know from you as well. And I'm going to quickly, I know आपके जहन में काफी सवाल है, उससे पहले मैं थोड़े सवाल पूछ लेता हूँ. अब सितारे यहाँ पर आ ही गए हैं, डायरेक्टर साहब भी हैं. So if I could have the set of questions, if I could tell the back end team to give me 1 second, quick check. Thank you. Thank you so much. काजोल, मेरा सबसे पहला सवाल तो आपसे, पिछले सीजन जब ये लॉन्च हुआ था तभी मैंने कहा था कि आपको देख के कुछ कुछ होता है, राइट? आपके हर किरदार, सिमरन, अंजलि, पिया, प्रिया, नंदिनी और अब नयनिका से प्यार होता है हर बार हर बार हर बार. बट इस बार, वन सेकंड, आई हैव टू से समथिंग. मेरा पहला प्यार अधूरा रह गया, रिफत भी. But definitely we love you for every character, every layer that you portray on screen. So thank you for being you.
Thank you. My pleasure.
And Nonika, my question to you is कि सिर्फ आप एक लॉयर नहीं बल्कि एक माँ है, वाइफ, और एक ऐसी औरत है जो अपनी जिंदगी के हर एस्पेक्ट को बैलेंस करने की कोशिश कर रही है. एंड एज यू राइटली सेड इन द ट्रेलर कि माँ अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ भी कर सकती है. क्या यही इमोशन नोनिका को एक पावरफुल लॉयर और पावरफुल औरत बनाता है इस सीजन में, और भी पावरफुल?
इस सीजन के बारे में मैं इतना सारा कुछ बता नहीं सकती हूँ, लेकिन जितना आपने ट्रेलर में देखा है, आई थिंक द सीजन इज much much more interesting and complex and like I think Sushant, right? Sushant said earlier, it is the kind of story that is about, it's a common story. और अगर आप औरत की स्ट्रेंथ के बारे में बात करते हैं तो मुझे लगता है कि हर औरत जो इस रूम में है वो सब में ये स्ट्रेंथ होती है, और अपने बच्चों के लिए, कभी कभी खुद के लिए, ये डिसीशंस हम लेते रहते हैं ज़िंदगी में. और कुछ दिन नयनिका एक अच्छी माँ है, कुछ दिन एक अच्छी लॉयर है. डिपेंड्स ऑन द डे, डिपेंड्स ऑन द एपिसोड.
So different moods of Noynika is what we're going to see. And अगला सवाल जो है, मैं अजय देवगन सर को साक्षी मान के पूछ रहा हूँ. रियल लाइफ में आप क्या चूज करती हैं, जस्टिस ओवर लव या लव ओवर जस्टिस? नो फिल्टर्स फॉर दिस वन.
Like I said, it depends on the situation. But to give you an answer that you will remember, I'd choose being human over justice. Maybe being kind over justice sometimes.
एक ही दिल है, कितनी बार लोगे आप, कितनी बार जीतोगे? Thank you काजोल, and wish you the best for season 2. उमेश जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे अगला कि
जी,
I just want to say that Umesh ji looks very unassuming. We all look, हम सब ने, मतलब we are all dressed to the nines over here, and Umesh ji looks very unassuming. But I want to tell you, he's absolutely done a fabulous job with the show. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Kajol.
Umesh ji, for that. Thank you.
I'll add to that, as a viewer, when we saw the trailer, we were completely gripped, so we loved it already. So
thank you.
And wish you the best, sir. Umesh ji, courtroom dramas are not new, लेकिन the trial has a very distinct tonality. एक personal भी है और political भी है. For season 2, what was your biggest creative challenge to raise the bar?
Actually, मैं दीपक जी की एक लाइन बोरो कर लेता हूँ यहाँ पे, कि चैलेंज नहीं था, अपॉर्चुनिटी थी. So it was a great creative opportunity for us because for this show दो चीज़ें थी. एक तो जो ओरिजिनल शो है द गुड वाइफ, आई वॉज अ ग्रेट फैन ऑफ गुड वाइफ, एंड द सेकेंड वॉज काजोल. सो आई एम अ ग्रेट फैन ऑफ काजोल. सो ये दो चीज़ें जब नज़र आई करने के लिए तो मतलब वो शो अपने आप में एक बहुत एक्साइटिंग शो बन गया. तो जब आप देखेंगे तो ट्रेलर में भी उसकी एक झलक आई है, जिसको हम राइटिंग में कहते हैं, हमारे ट्रैक्स जो हैं वो ब्रेडेड ट्रैक्स हैं, मतलब 4 ट्रैक्स हैं, उनको किस तरह से गूंथ के पिरो करके एक कहानी में, एक नैरेटिव में बनाया गया है. तो कोर्ट रूम ड्रामा जो आप लोग देखेंगे, जो केसेस देखेंगे इस सीज़न में, उसमें सबसे बड़ी बात इस बार ये है कि जो केसेस हैं वो भी नयनिका की पर्सनल लाइफ से कहीं ना कहीं रेजोनेट करते हैं. सो अब मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलना चाहता क्योंकि वैसे ही लोगों ने, आपने काफ़ी कुछ बता ही दिया है शो के बारे में, तो कुछ थोड़ा सस्पेंस रखते हैं. बट ये है कि बड़े मज़ेदार केसेस हैं, और वो मज़ेदार इसलिए और बन जाते हैं क्योंकि वो नयनिका की लाइफ के साथ जुड़े होते हैं. तो आई थिंक आई हैव आंसर्ड योर क्वेश्चन.
Yes, you did. You did give us a deep dive into it, but we want to know more, but we'll have to wait till the 19th of September.
Absolutely, yeah.
और जैसा आपने कहा कि ये challenges नहीं अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, तो ये एक मौका है और मौका सभी को मिलता है. मौके पे चौका मारना तो बनता है. मेरा नाम ही सचिन है, so वो तो करना मेरा काम है. Thank you so much, sir, and wish you the best. Thank you. Jishuji, my questions for you. First of all, let me compliment you. You're looking like a dude. Isn't he looking like a dude? Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Jishuji, सवाल ये है कि
He's got a man
राजीव
crush on you.
Sorry?
I said he's got a man crush on you.
in deny if women can love, if women can confess they're adoring other women and complimenting them, we can compliment men as well. Right?
Absolutely, but you've not sung him a song and all. दो तीन लाइनें भी नहीं बोली हैं उनके लिए.
वो पर्सनल में कर लूंगा मैं बात ऑफ स्टेज. But I love you.
Thank you.
He didn't even say I love you too.
I love you too.
I was hoping.
Okay, I love you too.
Thank you, Jishu.
Subtle.
My question is, राजीव अपनी मैरिज को सेव करने की कोशिश करता है इस सीजन 2 में, लेकिन उसके पर्सनल चॉइसेस उसके खिलाफ ही काम करते हैं हमेशा से. आपके मुताबिक राजीव के लिए शादी एक जिम्मेदारी है या इमोशनल एंकर?
It's an emotional anchor, I would say, because Rajiv loves his family, loves his kids, but he loves his job also, what he wants to become, what he is. So दोनों में he is basically getting torn apart. बंदा अच्छा है, खराब नहीं है, बुरा नहीं है, वो अच्छा बंदा है.
और इसके पहले मैंने कहते बंदे से प्यार हो जाता है उसे स्क्रीन पे देखने के बाद यार. सो थैंक यू.
अच्छा
अच्छा
बंदा है, a nice guy.
Actually, that's why reason you have to cast a very good looking person for a role like this.
या
Sir, I'm blushing already. अभी मैं पीछे चला जाऊँ.
That's a plan.
एक करेक्शन करना चाहता हूँ. आपने कहा कि आप डैशिंग दिख रहे हो. डैशिंग दिख नहीं रहे हो. दिख नहीं रहे हो.
ये कोई दूसरा शो चल रहा है.
Kubra, my next question is for you, but before that, let me come and give you a big hug because we go back about 15 years. We moved to India together back in 2011, 6 months ki difference mein from Dubai, and the way she's grown, commendable, and congratulations to you for all the accolades. So, means the world. Please.
Thank you,
I will
Sachin.
not say
Thank
Habibti,
you.
I will say Habibi as always.
Habibi.
Habibi, kif halak? Sho khabarik? All right, Guru, my question to you. You're known for the characters that you play that are strong yet unpredictable. Season 2 में आपके रोल में सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग लेयर क्या था जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा अट्रैक्ट किया?
I think the first thing that attracted me about joining the family again with season 2 of Trial is that ये मेरी जिंदगी का पहला season 2 है. Because so far any show that I've done, my character gets killed. Or they don't make a season 2. So I have always been on the hunt for another job. And I think with this, when the entire team, first of all, it's been an honor, an absolute life-changing experience to work with incredible actors, Kajol, Jishu Sen Gupta, in season 1. But now in season 2, you get to elevate that performance with an incredible director as Umesh Bish. He's such a warm, wonderful, kind, grounded director that he was able to stir up more emotions than I could imagine season 2 would bring for my character. But I think the one thing that stands out for Sana Sheikh as a character is the fact that she's very secretive. And I think to know more about her secrets, you will have to watch season 2. But I think in season 1, we saw how Nayonika found friendship in Sana. I think in season 2, Sana finds her true friendship in Nayonika. So, yeah, that was pretty damn good.
Thank you for spilling the beans.
It's a secretive, but you're friends, yeah. You're my best friend, yeah.
Okay. But here's to new beginnings, new season 2s for you, and wishing you the best. And you're known for no filter, but you're allowed to use filter for the next question that I'm going to ask you a little. In a show full of betrayal, who would you never want to be betrayed by in real life?
I don't think you can call the shots on who's going to betray you or not in life, and that's the truth. I think if you live your life with authenticity, and as you said, sir, authenticity comes with complexity. As far as, you know,
I think I'll answer
that.
that question for you because as somebody who has worked with Cobra in season 1 and seen her off screen quite a few times as well, Cobra is one of those rare people actually who handles witticism, and as you put it, maybe not betrayal, I haven't seen her with that, but any sort of negativity with such a wonderfully positive attitude that it doesn't turn out to be that eventually. She turns it into something else. So I think that's something that I truly admire about her.
Wow.
She just sealed it with a kiss. So loved it. Every word.
True?
Thank you.
Yeah, it is. It is. And तुम्हें तो पता है खुला आकाश है तुम्हारा तुम उड़ सकती हो जी सकती हो. Right? So wish you the best. Wish you the best. And thank you. Now there's going to be, before we open the floor for media Q&A, I know बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि हमें भी सवाल पूछने हैं. And she's nodding yes, which I will. I will open the floor for media Q&A. But उससे पहले a quick fun. If you could just bring in those placards, please. Yes. You could keep your mics down and you could just use those.
I
Well, there are
need
three-
clarification.
प्यार कानून धोखा. Okay. You have to check and then raise it as I go with the question. Yeah. And if I feel like I might just dig in a little deeper, why so? Yeah. Good to go? Any one, Cobra, don't confuse me. Yeah. All right. Out of these three, Pyar, Kaanoon and Dhokha, what makes for the best plot twist? Dhokha. Dhokha, Pyar, Dhok. So the creator, director, sahab, both are saying Dhokha. Yeah. Should we read between the lines and say कि इस season में हमें क्या देखने मिला है? From the creator, Dhokha. Huh? It's a test. You can. Okay, what is yours? Dhokha. Acha, now you're going for Dhokha. Now because the creator and director both have gone for Dhokha and you also. Why don't you answer that and tell us why? Oh, you said Dhokha. Come on. Kaanoon. And may we know why? Because the only one who did that is you, Kaanoon. Baki
Because
sab
I'm
kya-
the only one who did that.
Why?
Because everybody else was holding up. Yeah. Yeah.
You didn't, what makes the best plot twist? Like a twist in a in this we're talking about.
I'd say law. Because whenever you have a plot twist, the law, if you go against the law of the episode, is when you get a plot twist, right? So it's Kaanoon. Don't mess with me. Well,
Yeah, do you agree? Do you want to add something, Kubra, or just you are convinced?
you're convinced you're on my side? Okay.
Oh, she's going.
She's always right.
She's going to be the
Isn't
voice.
it?
Okay. अच्छा अगला
Umesh ji,
इतने पिटने के बाद आदमी यही कहता है.
अच्छा अगला सवाल ये है अगर आप you were in Noyanika's shoes, what would you choose first? If you're in Noyanika's shoes, like if you were Noyanika, what would you choose first?
In what context?
Character context, her character.
but yeah.
Oy la, Kajol.
She's a lawyer, she's a wife, she's a mother,
Yeah.
and she's a friend.
And Noyanika Sen Gupta.
So she's all of it.
Kajol has gone to a school where when the question is asked, ask 3 more questions.
Oh, she's that student. She's that student of that classroom, which means
She is that student. Kajol, you are that student. If the teacher asks 1 question, you ask three more questions.
I know this answer could have all of you the same placards, which I think. No, wait. One only. One. Kubra, one alone. No cheating. Wait, I'll tell you. I'll tell you the question. What best describes today's social media world? Today's social media world. Except Sushant. Now everybody else has said Dhokha. And we knew it that it's going to be Dhokha. Sushant, why? Sushant, if you could just clarify this a little. Sushant?
Diplomatic doubts, love, people.
Sushant, we want you to elaborate a little. Why Pyar? Because you're the only one. Huh? No, but you still.
It gets worse.
We already stamped it that you love it. So we want to know your views as to why.
I'm just saying that she's beginning to bully me now. But I do. Great stories exist all around us, and Pyar is the predominant emotion, and I stand by it.
Nice. That's the only different perspective that we've got on this floor. Okay, which one is more powerful in storytelling out of these three? Sorry. More powerful in storytelling. Which one of these three is more powerful in storytelling? I think we're going to keep eyes on Umesh ji also. Yeah. धोखा. उमेश जी आप इस पे थोड़ा सा विस्तार में बताएं धोखा क्यों? माइक इफ यू सॉरी.
यार एक्चुअली क्या है, सॉरी गाइस, हम लोग आपस में खेल रहे हैं तो उसके लिए माफी चाहता हूँ. ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग गेम है जिसको हम भी अभी समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो आप भी हमारे साथ थोड़ा सा हमें वक्त दीजिए, खत्म होने वाला है. तो मेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना कि मैंने कहानी लिखी हुई है, तो आप मुझसे प्लॉट ट्विस्ट ये कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे लग रहा है कि मेरा कहीं कहानी आउट ना हो जाए.
हाँ ओके.
तो मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि सब उल्टे पुल्टे आंसर दें, कंफ्यूज हो जाएं और बाद में 19th का वेट करें जब शो रिलीज हो रहा है. बट वी रियली हैड फन प्लेइंग दिस गेम. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you. So indirectly saying कि बस अब बस कर सचिन. You know that the director साहब has directed it so well right now for me कि सचिन I know तेरा बोलना तेरा पेशा है पर अब बस कर ले. I open the floor for media Q&A, but I shall do that. आपका हुक्म सराखों पर. And if you can just clear these placards, and I'm you know, Deepak ji and Alok ji have to leave due to some prior commitments, so we do a photo op a little later as well. But while they are here, we can, if we can request all of you to please step forward for a photo op. एक photo op हो जाए.